Okay, we got our head here and we used our sander on it. So I'm going to use my Dremel to further take it down, shape it a little more. I've also cut a 1-inch hole in here for our stick. I'm going to use a 1-inch stick, which is going to go in here. We'll glue that in later. What you want is for your head to fit flush in the top of your body. You want it to be flush down here. So we have to further round this down with our Dremel. And we'll use this shaping tool for that. So we'll take some of this down, then we'll sand it good, and then we can move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So you can see how we want to shape this down, make it a little smaller in here. So once we get done with that, then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.